A very good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you and your family all are fine. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to Maths online classes. In the previous class is chapter 4 introduction part completed. Today class is chapter 4. First we'll learn the do these problems. After we are going to exercise 4.1.
Good morning friends. Today class is chapter 4 exponents and powers chapter. Introduction part completed. Today we discussing about page number 81 do these problems. Page number 81 do these problems. First Roman simplify the following. Simplify the following. In the first one is the 3 power 7 into 3 power 3. Okay, first problem 3 power 7 into 3 power 3. So, in this case, first by using solution, this is using by formula, loss of exponents, a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. It is a formula, law of exponents. So, it is a power m, 3 power 7 into a power n, 3 power 3 equal to a power m plus n. That implies 3 power 7 into 3 power 3 is equal to 3 power, here 7 plus 3. Here write the m equal to 7 and n equal to 3. Here m plus n. Here write since bases are equal, then exponents add. Exponents are add. Okay, bases are same, then exponents add. So that is equal to 3 power 10. Okay, then up to here only completed, or then values 3 power 10 value also write that. Okay, therefore 3 power 7 into 3 power 3 equal to 3 power 10. Okay. Next one, second problem. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 5. 4. So here how many times are there? In the since in this case, a into a into a and so on, m times is equal to a power m formula. So loss of exponents, already we explained that a into a and so on m times is equal to a power m. That is equal to 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. How many times are writing 4 here? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then should write be 4 power 5. What is here right? 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 into 64 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25 into 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22. 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10. So the value is 1024 or 1024. See here, right? Next problem. 3 power 4 into 4 power 3. So in this case, it is bases are different and exponents also different. Once observe that in this case, 3 power 4 into 4 power 3. Bases are different and exponents also different. Did not use of loss of exponents. They do the simplify. 3 power 4 is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay, right? 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. So next one 4 power 3. 4 power 3. We should write 4 into 4 into 4. In writing 3 times 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. Okay. So therefore 3 power 4 into 4 power 3 is equal to 3 power 4 value 81. 81 into 4 power 3 value 64. So here 81 into 64 multiplication. 4 ones are 4. 4 eights are 32. 6 ones are 6. 6 eights are 48. 4, 8, 11, 5. The value is 5184. Okay. Then here also write like up to here only leave it 4 power 5. Then simplify or you find the value. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 4s are like that. Okay. 4 power 5. Or write here 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 into 4. 16. 24 plus 1 25 into 4. 24. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22. 4 2s are 8. So here write 1024. Okay. Did you understand, children? Okay. Next in this do this second problem. Second problem. Number 81, do this first Roman completed. Second Roman, the problem is the distance between Hyderabad to Delhi. The distance between Hyderabad to Delhi is 1674.9 kilometers. 0.9 kilometers by rail. How would you express in centimeters? How would you express in centimeters and also express in scientific form? Just you find the change the meters after centimeters. Okay, did you understand, children? First, once we learn the previous class, classes 1 meter equal to how many centimeters, 1 kilometer equal to how many meters, already we learned about. So in this case 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters and 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. It is a very important. So in this case 1674.9 into, first change the meters. So here 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters. Here I multiply that 1674.9 into 1000. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here also same 0, 0, 0, 0. Next and leave it one first digit 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 199, 144, 177, 166, 111. 0, 0, 0, 9, 4, 7, 6, 1. In this case of one point is there, point after one digit is there. So then you will be writing right side downwards, keep the point. So here write 1674900. Here change it to the meters. Kilometers change it to the meters. Then you will change the centimeters. Change the centimeter. So 1674900 into 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Then again into 100. 0, 0, 0. 0. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 0 again. 0. Next, here. 0 1 0, 0 1 0, 0 1 0, 1 9 9, 1 4 4, 1 7 7, 1 6 6, 1 1 1. So here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 9, 4, 7, 1, 6. Here keep the 1 point. So here write 1 6 7 4 9. How many zeros will be right here? 4. 4 zeros. Yes, centimeters. Did you understand, children? Therefore, 1674.9 kilometers changed to be centimeters. Ones, tens, hundreds, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. It means 16 crores, 74 lakhs, 90,000 centimeters. Okay, did you understand? It is the page number 81. Do this is second problem. Okay, then completed. 83. Do this first one. What is 10 power minus 10 equal to? Then find the 10 power minus 10 value. Solution. 10 power minus 10 is equal to, then use a formula, loss of exponents, a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. It is a formula, loss of exponents. Must and should all are prepared the loss of exponents formulas. Okay, 10 power minus 10 equal to, it is a, by comparing the a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. So that is 1 by 10 power 10. Therefore, 10 power minus 10 equal to 1 by 10 power 10. Then it is enough, or then find the value also. Okay. Next, in this page number 83, in another do these problems. First Roman, simplify. Find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse. Find multiplicative inverse. Find multiplicative inverse of the following. In the first question, 3 power minus 5. So it is also same. In this case of what is the multiplicative inverse? Already we learned in the rational numbers chapter. What is the multiplicative inverse? We should be writing multiplicative inverse means 1 by 3 power minus 5. Then you write the 1 by given that equation. Okay. So 1 by 3 power minus 5. So it is comparing the loss of exponents. 1 by a power minus m equal to, then you will write the a power m formula. A power m. So here write 1 by, this is the 1 by a power minus n. So you will write here 3 power 5. Then find the value means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many times of writing 3? 5 times. Okay. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s are 81. 81 3s are 243. Therefore, 3 power minus 5 equal to, the multiplicative inverse is the 3 power 5 or 243. Okay, children. In this, do this problem, remaining problems to the homework, and the sixth one. I will explain the sixth one. Here, sixth problem, remaining problems to the homework.
Remaining problems, do the homework. What is the sixth one here? 1 by 4 power 3. Here write 1 by 4 power 3. So it is also using by laws of exponents. 1 by a power m equal to a power minus m. So here write 4 power minus 3, or here write the value 1 by 4 cube value. It means write 1 by 4 into 4 into 4. So here 4 power minus 3, or 1 by 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. This is the value. Remaining, do this. Page number 83, second box, do this. First problem and sixth problem explained. Remaining problems, do the homework. Okay? Okay, children. Next, page number 85, do these problems. Simplify and express the following. Simplify and express the following single exponents. Here write in two exponents is there. They will write in single exponents. Okay. So here in this case, observe that in this problem, first we observe that it is a power m and into comparing the formula. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Did you understand, children? It is a power m and it is a power n equal to a power m plus n. Laws of exponents. Okay. So we will write 2 power minus 3 into 2 power minus 2 is equal to. So here in this case, bases are same, then exponents are adding. Exponents are adding. So here write 2 power minus 3 into 2 power minus 2 is equal to 2 power, bases are same. They will write here powers are adding or exponents are adding. Minus 3 plus of minus 2. So here 2 power minus 3 plus into minus minus 2. Here write 2 power minus 5. Okay. It is also 5, or 1 by 2 power 5. Because of it is a power minus m, you will write here a power m formula. Okay. Did you understand? Okay, enough. Next in this, do this fourth one, do this fourth problem. 7 power 5 into 7 power minus 4 into 7 power minus 6. Fourth problem, 7 power 5 into 7 power minus 4 into 7 power minus 6. Okay. So in this solution, same here also, a power m into a power n into a power p. Okay. You will write here a power m plus n plus p. Because of here bases are same, then exponents are adding. Therefore 7 power 5 into 7 power minus 4 into 7 power minus 6 is equal to 7 power 5 plus of minus 4 plus of minus 6. Okay. So here write 7 power 5 plus into minus minus 4 plus into minus minus 6. So here 7 power 5 minus 4 and minus 5 minus 10. Here write 7 power minus 5. Because of 10 minus 5, 5. Then in the big number is the symbol is minus. So I will write here minus. So therefore 7 power minus 5. Therefore 7 power 5 into 7 power 4 into 7 power minus 6 equal to 7 power minus 5, or 1 by
7 power 5. Because of here, since of a power minus m formula. By using a power m minus formula, a power minus m formula 1 by a power m. Okay children. Then in this page number 85, do this remaining problems homework. Okay. So this sixth problem is some difficulties there. Once observe that minus, here all problems are bases are positive numbers. But here in this case negative numbers are given. Negative numbers are given. Some difficult problem. So I will explain that one is. So here minus 5 whole power minus 3 into minus 5 whole power minus 4. So here bases are same, then exponents are adding. Since a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. In this case of this is a total a. Minus 5 is overall a. And it is also a minus 5. Okay. Then you will write bases are same, then exponents are adding. So here minus 5 whole power minus 3 plus of minus 4. Minus 5 whole power minus 3 minus into plus minus 4. So here minus 5 whole power minus 7. Because of here two symbols are minus, they will add and given the symbol minus. Okay. So here write it is a minus 5 whole power minus n. So the comparing with, since a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m, should be right here 1 by minus 5 whole power 7. Okay. Or minus 1 by 5 power 7. Because of here you write the minus 5 whole powers and write in minus 5 in 7 times. Minus 5 into 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 minus 5. I will write here 5 times. So symbols, once multiply that symbols, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. They will write here minus. Okay. So once observe that any number power odd number given, so we have to take the base negative number, means power odd number, they will get the answer is negative. Or here even number, then you will write here positive. Okay, did you understand? Plus here. Okay, understand children? Okay. Next continuation, exercise 4.1. Next continuation, exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1, first Roman, simplify the following and give the results. So here first one is 4 power minus 3. 4 power minus 3. Solution is, it is comparing with the laws of exponents, a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. So it is same time 4 power minus 3 equal to 1 by 4 power 3. Then value is, how many times of writing 4? 3 times. 4 into 4. That is equal to 1 by 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. That is the value is 1 by 64. Therefore 4 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 64. Okay. Next second problem homework. Third one. It is a some different. 3 by 4 whole power minus 3. So in this case of total it is a. Total it is a. So here write a power, comparing the laws of exponents, a power minus m equal to 1 by a power n. So here write 3 by 4 whole power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 3 by 4 whole power 3. Okay. Right. Next here continuation. So here 1 by 3 power 3 by 4 power 3. I will write here separate. 3 power A by B. Here write since. Here write. Sorry, here write. A by B whole power m equal to A power m by B power m. Comparing the laws of exponents, A by B whole power m is equal to A power m by B power m. So here write. It is a inverse. So here the fraction is a reverse. So here 4 power 3 by 3 power 3. Here write 4 into 4 into 4. Write the 3 times and 3 into 3 into 3. Here write 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64 by 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay children, did you understand? Must and should will learn the laws of exponents. It means of formulas. Must and should. Okay. It is the first Roman completed. Okay. Next second Roman. What is the second Roman? Simplify the following. Same process. Simplify the following. Second Roman. First problem. 1 by 2 whole power 4 into 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. So here it is also compared with the A power m into A power n into A power p equal to A power m plus n plus p. Because of bases are same, then exponents are add. Bases are same, all terms are bases are same. Then exponents adding. Okay, so write here 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus 5 plus 6 here. 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus 6 15. Okay. Or 1 by 2 power 15. Here write the A by B whole power m. A power m by B power m. Here 1 power you will write here many more than numbers 15, 16, 20 but then value is 1. 1 by 2 power 15. Okay. It is the second Roman, first one. And the next one, third problem. Once observe that third problem. Second Roman, third problem. 4 power 4 into 5 by 4 whole power 4. 4 power 4 into 5 by whole power 4. First here simplify the following. Here write the 4 power 4 into, it is right is formula, solution formula A by B whole power m equal to A power m by B power m. So here write 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. So here write 4 power 4 into 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. Here multiplication symbol. Then we should be write like this only. Okay. Here symbol plus means they do the LCM. But here symbol is the multiplication. Here symbol is the multiplication. So we should write here 4 power 4 into 5 power 4 by 4 power 4. So here cancellation. So remaining, it means it is like this also, but it is not a correct way because of 4 power 4 it is not a proper way. So write here 4 into, how many times writing? 4 times. 4 into 4 into 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 64 2s are 256 into 5 power 4 means 5 power 4 means like this also 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. 125 5s are 625. 625 by here also same 256. It is not possible of cancellation in powers. Okay. So therefore 625 or 5 power 4. Okay children, did you understand? In second Roman, first one and third one completed. Remaining problems, do the homework. If you have any doubt, contact me. Roman. Simplify. First problem, third Roman first problem. 2 power 2 into 3 power 2 by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1. First here write solution. 2 power 2 into, I should be right here, divide the formula. So here 3 power 2 into 1 by 2 power minus 2. Here right, did you understand? 3 power 3 square into 1 3 square by 2 power minus 2. Okay, it means of a power m by b power m into 3 power minus 1. Here write 2 power 2 into 3 square into, so here write 2 power 2 because of here in this case of a power minus 1 by a power minus m equal to a power m. Okay, by using of laws of exponents, 1 by a power minus m equal to a power m. So I will write here a power m. It means of 2 power 2 into, so here write a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. It is a formula. So should be right here 1 by 3 power 1. Okay, here write 2 square. 2 square means 2 times, right? 2 2s are, here write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 by 3. Here 3 ones cancel. So here how many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16 into 3. Remaining 3 is there. 16 3s are 48. 16 3s are 48. Or here how many times 2's is there? 2. 4 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3 power 1. How many 3's are there? 1 only is there. So then I will write here power only 1. Here 2's is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2's are 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. The values. Simplify them. 2 power 2 into 3 square by 2 power minus 2 into 3 power minus 1 value. 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. Okay. Next second problem. Next one is second one. Solution. Second problem. So here the same process. A power minus m formula 1 by a power m. So here write 1 by 4 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. Because of, by using laws of exponents. Okay. Okay. So here write 1 by 4 3's are 12 divided by 1 by 6. So here write reciprocal, right, or 1 by 12 divided by, it means of 1 by 6. The fraction is reverse. So here write 1 by 12 into 6 by 1. 6 2's are 12. 1 time. So here write 1 by 2. Okay. Or 2 power minus 1. Did you understand? Here write the power 1. So it is a power m equal to a power minus m, like this also. Okay. Therefore 4 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1 equal to the values 2 power minus 1 or 1 by 2. Okay, it is the third Roman. Two problems are there. I explained the two problems, third Roman. Next, fourth Roman. Fourth Roman, first problem. 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into 1 by 3. So already we explained that laws of exponents, the value is a power 0 is equal to 1. The value of a power 0 equal to 1. You have to write any natural number or power of 0. Then value is the 1. You have to write base any million numbers, billion numbers, then power is 0, then value is 1. Okay, did you understand, children? Since here, right? So 4 power 0 plus 5 power minus 1 into 5 square into, right here 5 square means I will write here 5 into 5. Okay, how many times of writing 5? 2 times, 1 by 3. So here the value that is equal to, since a power 0 equal to 1. So here write 4 power 0 value is 1. So here write 1 by 5. Because of 1 by 5, what we write here? 5 power minus 1. 1 by 5. A power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Okay. So 1 plus 1 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 by 3. So here do the LCM. So 1 into 5, 5 LCM. How many times are possible? 1 in 5? 5 times. So 5 into 1 plus 5 is denominator. 5 is 1 time possible. 1 into 1 into 5 into 5 into 1 by 3. So here 5 ones are 5 plus 1 ones are 1 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 by 3. So write here 5 plus 1 6 by 5. 6 by 5 into 5 into 5 into 1 by 3. Here write 5 1 times possible. So here 3 is 2 times possible. So that is equal to 2 into 5 into 1. 2 5s are 10, 10 1s are 10. The value is the 10. Okay. Did you understand, children? So you have to take the base of any million numbers or billion number, lakhs, crores, any power 0, then value is a 1. Then value is the 1. Did you understand? Okay, next we will go to the next problem. Is equal to 10. Go to the second problem. So here also that is the same formula. A power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. So write solution equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. Take LCM. Take LCM. Here write 2, 3, 4 LCM. 1, 3, 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 1s 6. 6 2s 12. So LCM is 12. So should be write here denominator 12. So 2 how many times of 12? How many times of denominator of 12? 6 times. 6 into 1 plus 3 how many times of possible in 12 denominator? 4 times. 4 into 1 plus 4 how many times? 3 times. 3 into 1 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 equal to 6 ones 6 plus 4 ones 4 plus 3 ones 3 by 12 into 3 by 4. So here 6 plus 4 10 10 plus 3 13 by 12 into 3 by 4. Here 3, 4 times possible. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 13 ones, 13 by 4 4s are 16. 13 by 16. The value is the 13 by 16. Okay children, it is third problem, understood? Okay. Next one is the fourth one. 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 power 0 minus 3 power minus 1. Solution. The solution is 3 power minus 2 by 3 into, here write a power 0 equal to the value is 1. A power 0 equal to value is 1. So 3 power 0 equal to 1 minus, here write 1 by 3 because of a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Okay. So write here 3 power minus 2 by 3 into, take LCM. The LCM is here not there of denominator. We have to take the 1. So 3 ones are 3. How many times in denominator 3 possible? 3 times. 3 into 1 minus here 1 time possible, 1 into 1. So 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 3 ones 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay. So here write 3 power minus 2 by 3 into 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 3. Here write that is equal to 3 power minus 2 into 2 by 3 into 3. So write 3 power minus 2 into 2 into 3 power. Here write 3 square. We should write here 3 square. So here write 3 power minus 2 into 2 by 3 square. So a power m. What is the a power m? 1 by a power minus m. Okay. So write here bases are same. Then exponents are adding. So 3 power minus 2 plus of minus 2 into 2. So here plus into minus, minus. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 3 power minus 4 into 2. The value is 3 power minus 4 into 2. Did you understand children? It is in fourth Roman, first problem, third problem and fourth problem. Remaining problems do the homework. And one more then, sixth problem is there. Sixth problem. Sixth one. 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 and whole power minus 2. Whole power minus 2. So write first of all a power m whole power n formula. A power m whole power n equal to a power m into n formula. By using laws of exponents, a power m into whole power n equal to a power m into n. So it should be write 3 by 2 whole power minus 2 into minus 2. Okay. So here write minus 2 into minus into minus plus 3 by 2 into 2 into 2 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So write here 3 power 4 by 2 power 4 because the formula of a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. Okay. We should be using laws of exponents. A power m a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. So here write the value 3 into, how many times write in 3? 4 times by 2 how many times write? 4 times. 3 threes are 9. 9 threes are 27. 27 threes are 81 by 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. 8 twos are 16. The value is therefore 3 by 2 power minus 2 and whole power minus 2 is equal to 81 by 16. Okay children, did you understand? Up to 4th Roman completed. Okay, next 5th problem, simplify. In 5th problem, 5th Roman, 2 problems are there. One I will explain, second one is do homework. Okay, so first problem, 5th Roman, first problem, simplify and give reason. Okay, so here first you write the 3 square, 3 into 3 minus 2 square, 2 into 2 divided by 1 by 5 whole square, 1 by 5 whole square. So write here 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4 divided by 1 by 5 whole square. Okay, so here 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5 divided by 1 by 5 whole square. So I will write here 5 divided by 1 by 5 whole square. So write here in this case divided by fraction is there 1 by 5, then go to the numerator 5 by 1 whole square. Did you understand children? Then the denominator fraction will be there, then change it to the numerator. So change the fraction, go to the numerator 5 by 1. So here 5 into 5 whole square. 5 by 1 means 5 whole square. So 5 5 is a 25 whole square. 25 into 25. The square number 25 25 is 625. Therefore 3 square minus 2 square divided by 1 by 5 whole square equal to the value is 625. Okay. This is the 5th Roman, first one. Do the second problem homework. Okay. Next here find the 6th Roman. Next going to 6th Roman, find the value of n. You find the value of n. First it is a LHS and it is a RHS. First do the LHS. Okay. So here 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Here 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power 5. Then you can observe that bases are same, then exponents are adding. So 2 by 3 whole power 3 plus 5. Okay. So then you will write here, we should be write 2 by 3, 5 plus 3, 8. Did you understand? It is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n formula. A power m plus n formula. Okay. The value is 2 by 3 whole power, the substitute of equation is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2 is equal to both the sides bases are equal. Here is equal to is there, is equal to both the sides bases are same. Then exponents are equal. Did you understand? Here bases are equal. Then exponents equal. Okay children, did you understand? So here 8 equal to n minus 2. So here n positive quantity becomes negative quantity becomes to positive quantity. So the value n is therefore n equal to 10. Okay. Here sixth question, find the value of n. So in this case 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power 5 equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2 is there the problem. Find the n value. So n value is 10. Okay. Did you understand? Once check it. It is n value correct or not? Once check it. 2 by 3 whole cube into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2. 10 minus 2. Here bases are same, then exponents are adding. So 2 by 3, 3 plus 5 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 8. 10 minus 2, 8. Then finally 2 by 3, 3 plus 5, 8 is equal to 2 by 3 whole power 8. Then value n value is correct. Okay? Okay, children.
Thank you, dear students. I hope to understood these problems. Thank you.